You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. That is confusing. If you want to learn more, even more confusing names and how to pronounce them correctly, stay tuned. I've got more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. In English, it's usually pronounced as Liana. Now, in Spanish, it would be quite similar. Liana, Liana. Now, Italian, Liana as well. Therefore, in English, pretty straightforward. I'm pretty sure most of the time this name is pronounced this way. Liana. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Do you know any Lianas? A Liana yourself? Is it how you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.